Would you say it is correct to characterize your results as being boosted by strength in Mexico? And if so, how long-lasting, how sustainable is that?
Good morning, Anne, and first of all, thank you for having me. Yes, clearly the very good performance in Mexico has driven the overall beat of the quarter. Profits are up by over 22% in Mexico versus last year. But not only in Mexico, the U.S. also behaved extremely well. Profits are up by over 40%. The same is the case, same is true in Colombia. They do also behave extremely well, and Spain's contribution to results is only going up. So yes, it's true that we're facing some headwinds in Turkey, but I think the overall franchise showed its resiliency once again.
How much longer do you expect, Jaime, those headwinds in Turkey to last? I mean, have we reached a turning point? Does the Saudi crisis in some way mark the bottom for Turkey?
Well, I think Turkey has been doing the right things over the last couple of months. They've tightened monetary policy. The new economic program clearly sets GDP growth targets, which allow for currency account deficit and inflation to be under control. And the relations with the U.S. are set to improve after the release of Reverend Branson. So I think that allows to be a little bit more optimistic on what lies ahead. Our bank locally remains very strong. We enjoy the largest capital ratios in the country. Liquidity buffers remain very solid, and the very large pre-provision profit has allowed us to increase our coverage so as to play it safe regarding the expected increase in cost of risk. So probably, as you say, the worst is over in Turkey.
The worst is over, Jaime. That's interesting. I mean, have you at any point discussed getting out of Turkey? Such was the turmoil over recent months.
No, I think we have a very good bank in Turkey. We own 50% of, a little below 50% of Guarantee. That's a 3.5 billion euro investment in the country. And we remain confident and trust that things will be brighter as time goes by.
Jaime, let me ask you quickly about the Spanish business. You've had profit growth there as well. Even with low interest rates, you managed to make money out of other products. Do you see that growing, and which products have been the most successful for you?
Clearly, fee and commission income growth drove core revenue growth in the year. Together with very good expense control, expenses are down by over 4% on a year-on-year basis. That's quite impressive. And together with a very low cost of risk, impairments are down by 35% on a year-on-year basis, allows Spanish profits to continue to grow. Together with the de-risking that continues to take place in the real estate portfolio, we recently sold and closed the transactions to sell all our real estate-owned assets to Cerberus, which I think positions ourselves much stronger for 2019.